Welcome to the WunderTrading channel. In this video, we want to introduce you to a new update on the platform, more specifically, with a new DCA bot. We will tell you about the algorithm that allows you to trade on any market. Its features will allow you to have a more stable equity curve and adapt to different market situations. We hope that this video will be informative for you. So, let's get started. First of all, it is important to understand how the DCA algorithm works. Our channel already has videos on what is DCA Bot and how to set up TradingView DCA Bot on the WunderTrading platform. You can find the links to these videos in the description below. But in this video, we will tell you about the new DCA Bot on the WunderTrading platform. We need to switch to the WunderTrading platform. Select the tab DCA Bot. A panel with DCA algorithm settings will open in front of you. The DCA Bot tab has three main areas: the chart of the selected asset, DCA Bot Settings, and created bots under the chart. For correct operation, you should first select the API and exchange. This will determine where you want to run your DCA bot. After selecting the exchange, select a pair for your DCA bot. The next step is to choose the direction of the bot. Long will only open buy trades, and short will only open sell trades. After that, you need to determine the amount of the trade. This parameter will determine the size of your initial position when your first entry order is placed. When you select the volume to trade, the bot will show you how much funds are needed to run your bot. This parameter is calculated taking into account all the settings you have set. When selecting the amount per trade, you can choose it either in the dollar values or by setting a percentage from your capital. The next section in the bot settings will define the initial conditions for your bot. You can either use immediate, which will mean that the bot will enter automatically at the first opportunity, or you can use the preset indicators. You can learn more about bot settings in the article linked in the description. If you want to change the settings and customize the DCA bot, you should use our free Wunder DCA strategy on TradingView. Through it, you can set the necessary settings and conduct a full-fledged backtest on several assets using additional filters and tools, and then link it to WunderTrading. After selecting the initial conditions of the bot, you can customize the bot's settings. If you don't have a specific DCA strategy in mind or you are not that experienced in DCA strategy, you can choose our auto settings, which are general presets that will suit most assets and any indicator. However, if you want to set specific settings for your DCA bot, you can choose custom settings and set the necessary parameters based on your trading idea. Once you have decided on the entry parameters, you have a number of settings to exit the strategy. These are take profit, stop loss, move stop loss to break even, and trailing stop. You can choose one or more exit conditions based on your trading strategy. Once you have finished customizing your bot, you can test your settings using the backtest button. Backtest will show you the results for the last 2 weeks. After calculating backtest, you will see a graph with all trades and results on the right side. Let's run our DCA bot. That's all. Thank you very much for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel and best of luck with your trading.